Welcome to the Garden of Feodora. What I'm doing today is making a carrot bed out of a crate and an old t-shirt. I used to love this shirt, but then I had cats. I have a boy in heat, and he decided to spray my shirt. So I have the shirt down in here with the body hole up. You see what I did there? Thank you, darling. Next, I'm going to add my homemade potting mix. If you want to see how I did that, click right there. Right there to see me make this homemade potting mix. So now we're going to fill it up. Okay? One of the key things about mixing for carrots is you want to make sure your soil doesn't compact. See how nice and fluffy it is? Even when I squeeze it tight, it still falls apart. You want to do that because carrots dig deep into the ground. And if you ever seen those kind of carrots that look like Q's and J's and all kinds of wiggly stuff, that's because the carrots are growing down and maneuvering around those rocks and stones and hard patches of soil that we have in there. But with a potting mix like this, that shouldn't happen. So you can also amend your soil by adding sand. I don't have sand in here, but I do have plenty of peat moss and perlite. But again, just click the annotation or check the link in the description if you want to see me mix this potting mix. Now we're just going to go ahead and continue filling this thing up. And from here, I'm just going to smooth the top over a little bit before I add my top dressing to it. And for that, I'm going to use this 5-4-6 plant food. And we're just going to do it right along the edges there. And we're going to mix that down. With one other thing. The worm castings. This is my first time using this for anything, so this is going to be a big surprise for me, depending on how they turn out. I'm just going to top dress it and mix that in. Now my seeds are not in here yet. That's happening right about now. I'm using the rainbow carrots. These are the ones that I germinated in my cupboard when I did that experiment on how to germinate with a napkin. Click right there to see that video. And we're going to go ahead and put these in now. So I went ahead and pre-moistened the soil now, and now we're going to get those carrots in. And now we're just gonna put a light dusting on top of some of the dry mix that we made. And that should be it. And I set it right here so we can get lots and lots of sun. And that's it. That's how I'm doing my carrots this year. That's how I did them last year too. And we actually got a lot from that. So with my new design of potting mix and how I fed and amended this soil, I'm expecting great results. And those seeds were germinatable. So hopefully we'll be eating good soon. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora. And don't forget, please subscribe or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora. And that's it.